You know everybody been waiting on that baby, man. Ever since baby on baby drop, man. Ever since baby on baby drop. Let's go. I needed some shit with some bop to fly her across the country. I finished the show and I been it. I got me a milli. I'm a hot nigga. Oh, you asking for pictures with
niggas? What's your name? Get the fuck out the spot, nigga.
I woke up.
Y'all know I gotta be extra weight. I'm dizzy. Give me a moment. Hey babe, it's Queen Ray, and welcome back to her channel. So y'all, it's Sunday, and I had to cook Sunday dinner. So of course I'm gonna do it on camera, like always. So, let me tell you what's on the menu. I have baked macaroni and cheese. What else? Oh, I got fried chicken with a twist. Because it's going to be honey ranch fried chicken. And string beans and corn mixed together. So, let me give you the ingredients. A good old chicken. And I ended up cutting the chicken before I got on camera because I wanted to save some time. You know, I always like to run my mouth, so I was like, let me just do this first. I got the little wing tips and stuff right there, so I sliced and diced them with my machete. You know, did that. Gotta throw that away. Here's the string beans and corn, of course, canned, because I ain't got time. What else? This is my favorite chicken fry. It's called Lefty's. Yeah, Lefty's Spices. And when I tell you this is good, this is good. This is like, okay, well, Popeyes, KFC, and whoever else fried chicken you could think of. That's what that tastes like in a bag, okay? It's rocking. It's really good. And of course, you're gonna need the ranch dip for the chicken. And I said it was honey ranch, right? So you're gonna need the honey. And then, of course, if you don't have Lori's, you're losing. Remember that always. And then I have my soul food seasoning, because all these two right here is adobe, Old Bay, parsley, broccoli, all that other good stuff in there. It's all combined, and you don't even need nothing else. Oregano, salt, pepper, everything is all in there, right? So I need that. Then I realized before I started, I was gonna need like 2 eggs because I wanted to, you know, dip your, after you batter it, you gotta dip it in the egg, and I don't have no eggs, so I got some good old butter, because you know, butter make it better, butter make it better. Don't mind me, because I just took a little shower. You see my little glow. And I had to put this on because this is what I do. This is what I live by. This is the truth. So I might have a little hard time breathing because the shit is tight. But it's okay. I'm going to get through it tonight, okay? All right. So what I'm going to do now is I got my chicken. I rinsed off my chicken because if you don't rinse off your chicken, you're
nasty. And you should be spanked.
What else? Okay, yeah. So I got the chicken. I'm going to season it. And then I'm going to start basting it, okay? So let me season it. I'm going to bring y'all down home. So there go my chicken. Okay, you can see it good. So there's the chicken. I'm going to season it. You know I'm a heavy seasoner. Heavy season. I'm a heavy seasoner. But this is all you need right here. And like I always do, I have my oil preheated, so I need to hurry up because if I don't, my chicken gonna be burnt before I can even cook it. You know, oil heat up fast. I'm just trying to speed it through. Okay. All right. So now that the chicken is seasoned, just mix it all up. Mix it all up. It's the basics. How's everybody's weekend? Hi guys. I haven't seen you in so long. I was just thinking. Oh. All right. So now that the chicken is seasoned, I'm going to add my honey. This is where it get good. Just wash it, baby. Just wash it. Honey make it sticky so that when you do add the flour and the when you add the flour and the ranch, it won't come off. It'll stay on. So you want to get that good. And I would use my hands to do it, but because it's sticky, I'm going to just mix it up like this. Try to flip it, but it ain't working. Alright, there you go. Get on. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a container for my ranch. Alright, so I have my container for my ranch. There it go. I'm trying to move fast because I got my stuff in the background frying up. So dump the ranch. Like this, right? Oh, looks like I'm gonna need another one. That's cool, because this is a pack of 4. No worries, ho. Here we go. There we go. I'm just a whole poet out here in these streets. Y'all hear me? Look, I'm gonna need another one. I might need all 4. Yeah, let's just do 2. Because forget it, ain't no sense in saving one. Might as well do both. There you go. There you go. So we got all that out, right? So there goes the ranch. Now, I'm gonna open the flour, if you can see, because you know my camera is all over the place. And I'm gonna dump the flour. There you go. So I got my chicken, which I'm gonna move out the way. You don't need to see that no more. I got the chicken, the ranch, and the flour. Boom! And she's ready. Okay, so I got the flour, the ranch, and the chicken. Now I'm gonna hurry up because my I can smell my grease burning. So I'm gonna dump it in the flour first, cause we want the ranch to taste, you know, have a better taste on it, right? So I'm gonna do it like that. My pan is behind y'all. You're gonna hear a sizzle, pop. What is it? Snap, snap. What is it? Snap, crackle, pop. You're gonna hear a snap, crackle, pop. Alright, it wasn't that loud, but just let it keep going. I also have my butter because my butter is supposed to make it stick. So after we do it in the flour, you put in the butter and then you put in the ranch. There you go. See that? And then you can put it back in the flour if you like, just to get it to be double coated. Why not? And just to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter on the chicken already. It's a lot of butter. That way it could already be in there. Now I'm gonna try to move a little faster, so I'm gonna put 2 in here. 2. Okay, y'all, so I have my chicken frying, right? And so I'm gonna let that cook, and it shouldn't take long because my grease was really already hot. So I'm gonna let that cook. After that batch finished, I'm gonna coat these already so that they're already ready to go, and then I'm gonna put the mothers up in there, and then we're gonna let that finish. Look at her. Look at her attire for Sunday, Zen. Yeah, I know y'all saw my look. There go 2 of them. They're like mice running in the background. Just look, just get a scatter. That's a damn shame. I can't even cook. They just had to have a little piece of energy in there. That's all right though. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna get back to it when we get back to it. So yeah, I'm gonna let that fry, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. You saw the mouse? I know you saw the mouse. I'll be back. So listen, my chicken is still cooking, right? If you watch my video with the burrito, you'll understand why I have a straw in my cup. I don't drink out the cup like this. I don't do it. I have straws for days, and I drink everything out of a straw. If I'm outside or I'm with somebody, I'm at somebody's house, I will just be regular. But when I'm home, I'm comfortable. You feel me? So I will drink it out of a straw. I just feel like it's better. I don't know why. I just like to. Don't be nasty. Don't be nasty. But listen. So today is Sunday, right? Tomorrow's Monday. Tomorrow's Martin Luther King Day. Black Power. And so the kids don't have school. So I decided to make a late dinner because I was like, what am I rushing for? Like any other time I'll be done by like 6 o'clock. But I was like, for what? Like they don't have nowhere to go tomorrow, so I'm not rushing. I'm just gonna do it my way. So that's what I decided to do. Yesterday was Saturday, which was supposed to be a snowstorm. I'm here in Jersey, and they said it was gonna be a snowstorm. And you know, Jersey people are always over the freaking top. Every time it says a little snowstorm, we don't get no more than freaking 3-4 inches, and everybody wants to act like it's an avalanche and it's a blizzard coming. So everybody goes food shopping. So my grocery experience yesterday was terrible. It was tragic. It was a massacre because it was everybody and their mother and grandmothers and uncles and aunts and cousins at the grocery store together like a family reunion, and they were shopping for food that we did not even freaking need. I was only going there for my necessary needs because I had like milk, cereal, butter, stuff like that, plus my little dinner, whatever. I went there for regular stuff. Everybody in there was grabbing things they did not need. Like, what are you grabbing baby food for? You don't even have a kid. You're just grabbing stuff because you just want to grab stuff. You just want to feel like it's needed. You feel me? So it was really annoying. The lines were down the aisle, like completely down the aisle. You know what? You don't believe me? Look at this video. People be tripping, y'all. Told you. The lines were down the aisle. I was already in line, so I didn't catch the lines down the aisle. But it was really bad. People was bumping. It was like shoulder to shoulder. You would think you was in a club. You would think you were in the club. Because you know what? But this is the cart. It's not even a person. It's the cart. They just on your heel with it. Like, what are you doing, sir? Relax. So, yeah, it was a mess. It was really a mess. I got in line around 11:30. I think I left the grocery store with my bags in the car at like 12 o'clock. So it was just too much for me to bear. I just decided that I don't want to go grocery shopping anymore. I don't want to go no time soon. I would rather just be on E. I would rather my refrigerator look brand new than for me to go grocery shopping again when it's a blizzard. That's my little story time. Let me get back to my chicken and check this out. So y'all, this is still cooking. That's still cooking. I actually ended up putting the corn and the string beans on already. Here's what we got for our chicken. It's looking real delectable. And so, because y'all know macaroni and cheese takes a very long time to cook, I decided it was no sense in me trying to cook the macaroni and cheese on camera because it was going to take way too long. I actually did a crock pot style, which means that I prepped it in the crock pot and then I ended up baking it in the oven. So check this part out because I did record it of how I did it. You know, I wasn't going to leave you hanging. So check this out. This is how I prepped it. This is what it looked like. And then I'll show you what it looks like now because it's out of the oven and it's ready for some loving. Bye, moi. Go ahead, check it out. saw how I prepped it. And this is what she looks like now. She's still a little light-skinned, but it's okay. You know what? I didn't want to burn it. This is really my first time making macaroni and cheese by myself. Any other time, baby does it for me. And he does it all the way on it. So I'm hoping that he's gonna enjoy this. And I'm gonna make sure that he enjoys it. You know, he might add some hot sauce like always, but that's cool. I want him to enjoy it. The kids said that they want to see whose macaroni and cheese tastes better, so we're gonna see whose tastes better. But this is how it came out, and I'm very proud of myself. Even though my little crock pot pressure cooker did most of the stuff as far as mixing it, but it could be Bernie mac and cheese, Burnty mac and cheese. Okay, so yeah, let's not play these games. I think I did a good job. Thank you. Done. This is what it's looking like. The chicken is complete. I took a few pieces. It was way more, but I took like 8 pieces off because, you know, I got to put Baze to the side with the, if you can see, he liked his hot. So, trying to mess up my little ranch, you know, my little ranch capade and stuff. But it's cool. So, I did put his to the side with the garlic buffalo wing sauce. And as you saw, there's the mac and cheese. There's the veggies. I didn't get to plate it yet because y'all know I'm a mama. And my baby started crying. I'm trying to multitask and give her a bath and do this and that. So I didn't get to plate it yet. Plus, I'm letting the food cool off. But I did taste a piece of chicken. And voila, magic. Voila, magic. Make you want to twerk something real quick. Magic. Thank y'all for watching this video. I had a good time cooking my food. That food it tastes good. The chicken, you can actually taste the ranch in the chicken. It tastes good. I don't taste no Lori's, but I taste the Hidden Valley. Ain't hidden no more. So listen, it was good. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that. And you know, you go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and comment. Let me know if you cook this, how it come out. Please share, share, share. And what else? Oh yeah, positive quote. It's Sunday. Lord of mercy. Almost forgot. Listen, no two people are the same. That's plain as you can see. God created you to be you, and He created me to be me. So every time you do your thing, make sure you do it your way. Thank you for watching, and until tomorrow, or whenever I make another video. Until then, 3, 2, 1, hit it!
Right now, on the bed right now. Downtown, meet me right now. Drop top, stop it, hop out. She already know